In this video, I'm going to show you what the public checkout process would be like for your users. So the first thing that I'm going to do is set up a product in the system and a payment method. So I'm just going to navigate over to products over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new product. I'm just going to call this my product. I'm going to give it a price, and we're going to leave the rest the same and hit save. So now I've got my basic product. I need to go ahead and set up a payment method. So I'm just going to click on setup over here, and I'm going to come to payment. I'm then going to add a payment method. I'm just going to call this cash. It's a manual payment type. And for now, I'm just going to select all currencies, and we're going to hit save. All right, so now that I've created those two things, let's go ahead and add a catalog to our website and walk through the checkout process. So I'm going to click on View My Website on the top left-hand side. Let's just add a template to our page. We're just going to go with this one. So let's just apply that to our page. And then I want to go ahead and add a catalog. So I'm just going to add an empty block over here. Just delete that and search for the catalog module. There we go. And oops, I scrolled too far. That product has been added. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this page. And now I'm going to walk through the checkout process from the customer's perspective. So I'm just going to navigate over to the live version of my site. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Buy Now. All right, I'm then going to put in my details. So let's say it's bob@demo.com. And the first name is Bob, last name Burger, and then we're going to select our other details here, give him a postal code and phone number, and we can add the company details and tax number. So this is the checkout process that your users are going to go through when they place an order with you. They'd then select their payment method, and you can say place order now, and they have placed that order. They can also go ahead and download an invoice for their product order. So I'm going to navigate back to the admin area. And one thing to note is that you can customize the way that that checkout page looks. So if I come here to my navigator and I come here to my system pages and I go to my checkout page, I can come in here and customize this page to my heart's content. And so that system checkout is then going to change depending on what I do here. In order to edit this, please do go check out our page designer playlist, and that will teach you exactly how to customize all of the pages on your website. All right, so I'm going to navigate back to the admin area. Then I'm going to come here to my orders. Before I do that, you'll notice that I've had one order placed by one new contact, and my total sales are $99 US. So this is going to give you a quick breakdown of anything that's happening in your business. But then I'm going to navigate over here to orders on the left-hand side, and you'll see that I've got this order that's been placed in the system. It's currently unpaid because it is a cash payment, so I would need to process that here in the system. And I can do that by simply clicking in here and collecting the payment. So I'm going to say it is cash, record that payment, and then that order is fulfilled. So that is what the public checkout process will be like for your users and what it looks like on your side to receive those orders. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create custom invoices, or as we call them in the system, drafts, so that you can create custom orders within the system for your users. I'll see you there.